19, yeah. Give it up.
Lightning, lightning, lightning. I just really like lightning, okay? Hold on a minute. I just need to check on my videos. But I'm waiting for that thing. Waiting for that thing. Oh. I know I should stay away from a window, but screw it. I'm keeping my distance. Wait. I mean, just as long as they don't touch anything, I'll be fine, right? I can touch any metal parts or something. I don't know. But it's been thundering. It thundered a lot, actually. But see, I was just trying to do something else, but then all of a sudden thunder, and I'm like, oh, I didn't see a flash, though. I didn't see lightning. Oh. I can't hear thunder, man. I'm just like, oh. Scary. Just checking on the sky, that's all. I heard thunder. Like a loud thunder. I'm just waiting. It was not a lot of thunder, but bird, get out! You're gonna be toast. Say like close to your home. Well, you live in a nest, so that's still outside. Keep going back and forth. Like okay. So there's like lightning. Well, no, not lightning. The thunder, and then then when nothing's happening, I'm like, okay, go back to your you check if your importing session is fine. Because I got like 304 pictures and videos to import to my laptop. Whoa. Is that a car or sounds like a clash of lightning? Oh sheet of paper. Oh snap. I'm kinda getting cold. I don't know. But I'm just going back and forth because I want to see how long it takes to import all this stuff. Because I took a lot of pictures and a lot of videos in DC, so yeah. I only got 5 minutes of footage on my phone because I recorded some videos here too. And right now it's at the 3:30 mark, so I still got only a few minutes. So that's why I can delete a video or two from my phone, but I want to record on my camera. I delete all the storage and stuff, so. Oh snap. Hey! I ran back because I heard like some good thunder. Come on. Where's the lightning? I want to see lightning. Which direction is lightning? Is there a direction? Is there a specific direction where lightning comes from? I have no idea. Oh, Sam. I don't know whether I should record like this or like these. I think like these is better. If it changed anything, or maybe it's sideways. I don't know. But I like this better. This is good. My importing is like halfway through. So yeah, I still got about a minute left of footage on my phone. I'll delete a video here if I have to. Oh god, I got 29 seconds. Okay, I'm not gonna waste this. Come on, importing! I need you to hurry up! Hurry up! I'll give 100 more. Ah! Oh snap, did you hear that thunder? Oh snap.